Hello everyone, today I make sourdough bread in peach shape. Don't you think they look lovely? Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. Please come to the kitchen with me. I will show you how I make them. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. If you want to read recipes, head to the description box below. So I have 150 grams of two kinds of flours and levain, and I mix on speed 2 until smooth, and then I add butter and mix for 5 more minutes until they stretching elastically like this thing. You can test a window pan now, and I cover and let it proof for 2 hours. My house is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, so it took 2 hours. When they are double inside, I divide the dough. I decided to make each batch 40 grams. That substantial size for one eating. If you want bigger, you can add more, or you want less, smaller, you use less dough. But for my shape, I use 40 grams. So I make the balls, and now I will start from the ball one, and I roll them out. My intention is roll each one into 4 inches in diameter round. But normally when working with dough, they like want to shrink back, bouncing back, and it's not easy to do it at one go. So normally I start with one first dough ball, and then go to the next one until I use up my dough, and then I go back to the first one and roll out again. That way my dough has time to relax, and they not bouncing back on me. So this is let's measure it. Yeah, it's 4 inches now, so I'm happy with it. The next thing I will show you is how I shape the beach. Alright, I think I'm very careful about that, and you can see the thickness of my dough there, not too thick and not too thin. And now I make a slit into the center of the round. Now I take one side and I roll around until I reach the other slit, the other edge of the slit. And you can just leave like this, or you more careful than me, then you can use a little water to dab into the slit, so that you have the beach stand nicely and stand up. Now, after that, I cover and let it proof, and it took me about 1 hour to double in size. Now I use a mixture of 1 tablespoon of cream plus 1 egg yolk, and I brush my peaches. Remember, this is one recipe, the same recipe that I make the bowl bread. So you can see I'm show you the bowl right there. I didn't want to include 2 together in one video because it's make too long and it's make confusing. So I preheated the oven for 350 degrees, and I bake them for 20 minutes. And now they are very golden brown. You can see I lift up and you can see the bottom brown as well. You can stop right here, or you do like me, I brush the second time and I put back in the oven. My oven already turned up, but it's still hot for 5 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.